If Microsoft Edge is showing error 0X80072E7, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now. This error is usually related to network issues, DNS problems, or a bad connection caused by a VPN or system settings. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear your DNS cache because a corrupted or outdated DNS record can sometimes cause Microsoft Edge to fail when trying to connect to websites. To do that, click the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. You can also open it as an administrator if needed, but for this step, the basic command prompt is usually enough. Once the command prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and then press enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This tells Windows to clear out old network information and start fresh. After that, close Command Prompt and try opening Microsoft Edge again to see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing 0X80072E7, the next thing to check is your VPN. A VPN can sometimes interfere with the connection Edge is trying to make, especially if the VPN end server is blocking certain domains or causing DNS conflicts. Turn off your VPN bars completely, then disconnect and reconnect your internet if needed. Once the VPN is off, open Microsoft Edge again and test the page or website that was giving you the error. In many cases, the issue disappears right away after disabling the VPN. If the error still continues, we'll move on to the next fix. Open the control panel on your computer and then look for the Microsoft Edge settings or any related internet and network options depending on your system setup. From there, check the Microsoft Edge configuration and make sure there isn't anything unusual interfering with the browser's connection settings. If you see options related to proxy, internet settings, or browser repair, review them carefully and reset or adjust them as needed. The idea here is to make sure Edge is using the correct network configuration and not being blocked by a system-level setting. After making any changes, close everything, reopen Microsoft Edge, and test again. If the page loads normally, then the issue has been fixed. To recap, the main steps are to flush your DNS using Command Prompt, turn off your VPN, and check the Microsoft Edge settings through Control Panel to make sure nothing is blocking your connection. These fixes solve the error for many users and are a great place to start before trying anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Edge error 0X80072E7, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.